9 Best Beaches in Dubai. What is the most popular beach in Dubai? The best beaches in Dubai mostly line the city front, while some occupy the artificial islands off its coast. Few places on Earth have undergone such radical transformation in recent history. These excellent beaches are a central part of that, along with the city's iconic buildings and modern transport links. As with most of Dubai's landscapes, most of its beaches are newly made, which means they are manicured to postcard-like levels of beauty. Some cater to families, with lifeguard towers and amenities, while others are more secluded, where you can have the beach pretty much to yourself. 1. Al Mamzar Beach Park. Among Dubai's most well-facilitated beaches, Al Mamzar Beach Park is the best beach in Dubai for families and large groups. There is a nominal fee to enter the beach park, but it's worth the money. You can enjoy a wide range of amenities here, such as beach volleyball, palm-lined running tracks, barbecue pits, and a host of water sports. There are lifeguards on duty throughout the day, and beach cabins are available for rent. Due to the scorching temperatures, a certain section of the beach is open for night swimming in the summer months. Note that Mondays and Wednesdays are known as ladies' days, when the beach is reserved for females only and children under 4 years of age. 2. White Beach. A fancy beach on the tip of the famous Palm Island. White Beach is a private beach club with its own stretch of powder-soft sand in the Atlantis Dubai resort. It's located on the outer rim of the artificial Palm Jumeirah Island. The infinity pool and plush sun loungers are perfect for Instagram selfies, while the excellent service ensures you barely need to lift a finger. The views over Dubai Marina are quite special, too. The beach is open throughout the day, while the swimming pool and restaurant stay open into the night. Sundays are particularly popular at White Beach, with a free-flow brunch and a fun-loving vibe attracting couples and small groups. 3. Jumeirah Beach. A popular beach with plenty of amenities. Jumeirah Beach is an artificial stretch of coastline a short drive south of downtown Dubai. The ocean here is sheltered by an island, making the already calm Arabian Gulf especially safe for toddlers and novice swimmers. Water sports include jet skis and banana boat rides. Directly behind the beach is a row of restaurants and cafes selling Middle Eastern and Western cuisine, so you won't have any trouble finding something suitable for lunch. Jumeirah Beach is around 500 meters long and it can get busy on weekends. There are no changing rooms, but sun loungers are available. 4. Sunset Beach. A quiet beach in Jumeirah. Also known as Msukiam Beach, Sunset Beach is so named as it's a great spot to come in the late afternoon. You can enjoy dusk here, watching the changing colors as the sun sinks into the Arabian Gulf. Besides a communal library for donating or borrowing books, there are few amenities here, which is one of its selling points. You can enjoy a peaceful walk along the wide beachfront or put on your running shoes and join the joggers on the paved running track that skirts the beach. 5. JBR Beach. A city center beach next to Dubai Marina. JBR Beach is walking distance from many of Dubai's most popular attractions, such as the Marina and Dubai Marina Mall. If it's convenience you want, then this is the beach for you. If you're taking public transport, DMCC metro station is a few minutes walk from the shore. The convenience of JBR Beach is also its biggest flaw, as it can get remarkably busy. You will struggle to get a sun lounger in a good spot unless you arrive early in the morning. Children will have a blast here as there are fairground rides to enjoy close to the beach, playgrounds, and an inflatable obstacle course floating just off the coast. 6. Kite Beach. Learn to kite surf in Dubai. Kite Beach is known as the best place to practice the popular sport of kite surfing in Dubai. When the wind is right, you'll see plenty of people on their boards here. If you're interested in the sport but have never tried before, there's a kitesurfing school with beginners day classes to give you a taste. If that sounds like too much effort, you can always just find a nice spot in the sand to soak up some rays. Another reason people come to Kite Beach is to enjoy the wide variety of food at excellent value. You'll find plenty to eat here, especially Western franchise selections. The idea is to pick up something quick and easy, then snack on the beach. 7. Al Sufouh Black Palace Beach. A secret beach in Dubai. Al Sufouh Black Palace Beach is surrounded by royal palaces, and it goes by other nicknames, including Secret Beach and Palace Beach. The access to the sand is down a narrow path that runs between two palace grounds. Even so, it is public land and you can access it for free. The beach itself is blessed with soft, golden sand, although there are no facilities here. If you intend to stay for the day, you should pack some drinks and snacks. You get a great sunset from here, together with views of the Burj Al Arab. 8. Mercado Beach. A peaceful beach with changing facilities. Mercado Beach is less popular than the other coastal stretches close to downtown Dubai, making it great for those seeking some peace and quiet. It's a good place for couples to come to relax and get into a good book, rather than play water sports. There is a lifeguard on duty and there are changing rooms available for free. Lining the wide stretch of sand, you'll find a running track and a couple of low-key cafes and bistros, serving a mix of Middle Eastern and Western food. Thanks to the relaxed vibe, Mercado Beach is popular with long-term residents of Dubai. 9. Mer Beach. An artificial beach surrounded by loads of attractions. Mer is one of Dubai's best beaches for large groups. The beach is beautiful and well manicured, with plenty of tree cover for some all-important shade. If you get restless, you can rent stand-up paddle boards or have a go on a banana boat ride. The biggest selling point at Mer Beach is the range of attractions. This purpose-built leisure complex features a water park and playground for children, a shopping mall for families, and a cinema for once the sun sets. At mealtimes, you have the choice of pretty much any regional cuisine you can think of, from fast food to luxury and gourmet meals. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to stop missing out on future videos and fantastic information.